Instagram, you know that we have moved to a new house. Well, we haven't really moved to the house because you can see it is completely empty. You can hear the echo, but beyond those windows is the swimming pool. And if you'll follow me, we're going to go to the bar. Well, now we're in the bar area, but unless you want a Diet 7-Up, that's all you're going to get. But usually we're going to make really great cocktails here, and I think it's perfect spot because I have a lot more room. The counter's lower, and I think you're going to be able to see the actual making of the cocktail, and I can't wait. Now we're in the kitchen, and this is where all the magic happens. We have two sinks, one here and one on that side of the kitchen, but I'm not going to show you that because it is a disaster right now. And then we have 8 cooking eyes on the stove instead of the 6, and in that direction is the butler pantry. Please excuse any messiness you might see. This is my closet. It's being renovated now as we speak. It's going to be all white, which I cannot wait to see. And we're going to install a really cute light fixture. And then across the hall, and I'll turn the light on for you so you can get a really good view. This is my husband's closet, and it is done in mahogany. And we're going to leave it mahogany because it just has a more masculine look, and he's not interested in a white closet. You probably will never see his closet again, but you will see mine. I can't wait for you to see this master bathroom. Come on in. It has double vanities. It has a 0 entry shower, which I'm loving. And I don't love this wallpaper. I'm going to change that because it doesn't have much something. I'm not sure what it is, maybe color, but I do know I'm going to change the window treatments. I believe I'm going to put plantation shutters up. And other than that, I'm loving this room. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that short tour of my very empty house. And before you know it, we're going to be in the bar making cocktails and in the kitchen making wonderful things to eat. And if my closet is ever finished, we'll go and tour the closet and try on some new outfits. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button. And hey, follow me on Instagram. Bye.